Assalamualaikum, grade 9 students. Just to cement the concept of solving simultaneous linear equation by elimination method, I am sharing a question on elimination method, and I hope after watching this video your concept of solving simultaneous linear equation by elimination method will be crystal clear. And I will be sharing some videos on substitution method as well, and I will request you all to watch those videos and then decide which method is best suitable for you, because in the question paper there is always a choice to select one method, elimination or substitution. You don't have to solve it by both the methods, just master any one method and solve the question with that method. So moving on with the question, we did solve a question on elimination method in today's class. I am sharing one more question. You don't have to copy this question in your copy. Just watch the video and make your concept clear. So the question is, we have two equations. We have two simultaneous linear equations. The first equation is x minus 2y equals to minus 2, and the second equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 10. The question is, we have to solve it, means we have to find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. Since this is a linear equation, there will be only one value of x and there will be only one value of y, and we have to solve it using elimination method. And we know that the first step in elimination method is to pick a variable. So I am going with the y. I am picking y as my variable. This is the variable. So this is my variable y. Now this is my first step. First step complete. I have chosen y as my variable. The second step, I have to make a common coefficient. I have to make the coefficient same. And how will I do that? I will just swap the coefficients. In equation number 2, the coefficient of y is 3. So I will multiply equation number 1 by 3. In equation number 1, the coefficient of y is 2. So I will multiply equation number 2 by 2. This is the method of making the same coefficient. You just swap the coefficient. Equation number 2 में y का जो भी coefficient है उसको equation number 1 से पूरी multiply करा देते हैं, और इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में जो y का कोफिशिएंट है उससे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 को पूरी कंप्लीट मल्टीप्लाई करा देंगे. सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन, सो व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इन इक्वेशन नंबर 2? 3. सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 3, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ लिखा मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. एंड व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इन इक्वेशन 1? 2. सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 2. What will be the answer? When 3 multiplied with x, this will give me 3x. When 3 multiplied by minus 2, it will give me minus 6. This is my equation number 1. After multiplying with 3, this is my new equation number 1. Now I will multiply the second equation by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2x will be 4x. 2 multiplied by 3y will be 6y, positive 6y. And 2 multiplied by 10 will be equals to 20. So this is my equation number 2 after multiplying by 2. Third step, I have to decide whether I have to add these two equations or subtract. And how will I decide? I will decide it by looking at the signs. So since the signs are opposite, one has a sign negative and one has a sign opposite, so I will just add both the equations. If the signs are opposite, I go for add. If the signs are same, I go for subtraction. So I am adding both the equations. And how will I add? I will just add the left hand side into left hand side, right hand side into right hand side. What is the left hand side? 3x minus 6y. I will write 3x minus 6y in bracket. Since I have to add them, so I will add them. I will make a plus sign. Then again the bracket. And what is the left hand side of the other equation? 4x plus 6y equals to, now I will add the right hand side. The right hand side is minus 6. Since I have to add them, so plus 20. Minus 6 plus 20. Now I will remove this bracket. 3x will be as it is, minus 6y will be as it is, plus 4x and plus 6y equals to minus 6 plus 20 will give me positive 14. Minus plus minus sign belongs to the greater. This is positive 3x and this is positive 4x. So 3x plus 4x will give me 7x equals to, this is 14. And since I have to find the value of x, so I will shift this 7 on the other side, inverse operation. 7 is being multiplied over this side, it will get divided. The value of x is coming out to be 2. And since now I have the value of x, so I will just put it in equation 1 or 2. It's up to me. I am choosing equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x minus 2y equals to minus 2. X minus 2y equals to minus 2. This is equation number 1. I just have to put the value of x is equals to 2. So this is x. So I have put the value x is equals to 2 minus as it is, 2y as it is, equals to minus 2. Now this is positive 2 since there is no sign, so this is positive, this is positive 2. I am shifting this positive 2 on the other side. Minus 2y will remain here. This is minus 2y equals to, this is minus 2, and then this positive 2 when shifted on the other side will become minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2 will be minus 4. This will be minus 2y. Since negative is on both the sides, so it will be cancelled out. Negative and negative cancel out. Or you can say that I have multiplied with negative on both sides, so it become positive. And since I will shift this 2 on the other side, so the value of y is coming out to be 2. So the value of x is also 2 and the value of y is also 2. If you are not sure about your answer, you can plug back the values in the original question in both the equations, and you will see either the right hand side is equal to the left hand side or not. If both the sides are equal, then your answer is correct.